Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve 20. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the DaVinci Resolve application on your computer. Once the program is open, go to the bottom right corner and click on the rocket icon to open the Deliver page, which is where you export your videos. After opening the Deliver section, look at the top left corner where you'll find the Render Settings panel. From here, you can start choosing your export settings. Begin by selecting the video format and codec you want to use. A common and efficient option is H.265, but you can also use H.264, depending on your needs. After selecting the codec, enter a name for your exported video and click Browse to choose the folder where you want the video to be saved. Next, make sure Render Single Clip is selected if you want to export the entire video as one file. Make sure this export video check is marked. Then choose the video format. Popular choices include QuickTime and MP4, though other formats like MKV are also available. After selecting the format, choose the codec from the drop-down menu. H.264 and H.265 are the most commonly used codecs because they offer good quality and compatibility. Now move on to the resolution settings. If you want full HD, select 1920 by 108020. If you want 4K, you can also higher resolution. Make sure your project timeline is already set to 4K if you plan to export in 4K quality. After that, select your frame rate. You can keep it at 24 frames per second or switch to 30 frames per second, 60 frames per second, or another value depending on your project. You can also change the encoder profile and keyframe settings if needed, although in this case, I'll leave them at their default values. Moving further down, you will see the preset section, where you can adjust the preset according to your performance or quality preferences. Next, you'll find the rate control section. Make sure this option is set to quality for the best output results. Then, under the quality settings, set it to best. This ensures that your final video or stream maintains the highest possible quality. At the bottom of the page, you will also notice an advanced settings section. If you want more control over the configuration, you can customize these settings as well. In addition, there is a subtitle settings option available if you would like to configure subtitles or captions. Before exporting, make sure the highlighted render area covers your entire timeline. Drag the start and end markers so the full sequence is included. This ensures the complete video will be exported instead of only a small section. Once everything is set up, click Add to Render Queue. Your project will appear in the render queue on the right side. Finally, click Render All to begin exporting your video. DaVinci Resolve will then process and save the final exported file to the location you selected. And that's it. So that's basically how you can export videos in DaVinci Resolve 20. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.